Hey, hello there. This is Team Entegris, and we just hope that you're safe and healthy and happy. This hand was built for you with gratitude from this team.
I can't imagine how hard it must be for you without a hand. We're so glad that we're able to provide this, and hopefully will help you have some fun and help you with your daily activities.
We had a lot of fun putting this together. I hope it's something useful, something you can really enjoy and use. So, all the best.
And I was so appreciative to do this. My niece lost 3 of her fingers, so this means a little more to me than most people. So this was a great exercise, and I hope you get joy out of this. Thank you.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Whoever gets this hand, we hope you enjoy it. We really enjoyed making it. This is from Mark and Oliver. Bye.
It's a great experience for us. I think that we're looking forward to providing you this hand.
Hola, niño y niña. Nosotros estamos muy felices para ti.
It brought us a lot of joy to make this hand.
We worked on this hand, and we're very happy that you're going to be using it, and hopefully it'll change your life.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun making the hands, and we sure hope that you get a lot of good use out of it and kind of a new life. So all the best to you.
It was a really neat experience for us to do this, and really honored to be able to do it.
Thank you, and we hope this brings a smile to your face and opens some doors. Enjoy.
We had a great time constructing this hand today, and we just want to send this with love and let you know you are great, you are amazing, and you are strong.
Yo soy Julio. Espero que esta mano te ayude en el futuro. Lo hemos construido con mucho amor. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hope this hand bring you a smile, and then you bring smile to other people.
You like the juice? That's